These are 3 of my two-stroke tuning books, which are more like Bibles. Okay. This one is HP Books, which used to put out, I don't know if they still do, but books on cars, motors, things like that. It's by Gordon Jennings. This book was built or made in 1972, I believe. I paid $100 for this. Okay, and it was worth every damn penny. This goes through and explains the fundamentals of the crankshaft, the cylinder heads, the expansion chambers, port timing, crankcase, carburation, ignition, everything that you would want to know about a two-stroke. If you don't know anything about a two-stroke, this is your baby. Now, someone told me you can download this in a PDF file. I've never done that. I had to get this through an old bookstore, and you can tell it's used. But it has diagrams in it which explain how the expansion chambers work, how the sonic wave comes from the cylinder, how it goes to the cones, and how it comes back. And as you can see on my latest pipe, you can understand how that works. And this was made back in the day when, you know, they talk about the basic process. They talk about your squish band on your cylinder heads, how the spark plugs explode, how they explode the gas. They talk about how the rings are put in, how the crankshaft works in very simple terms. They talk about the wrist pins and rings, and it gives you a complete wide understanding of how the ports work. Port edge chamfers. I've used a lot of this in my work on my bikes. And of course, since it's from 1972, that they have turbochargers, and of course that's a big V8. And they talk about how the airflow shouldn't be polished on your carburetors, which I've polished on one of them because I just thought it looked cool. They talk about how the crankcase gets your intake and everything. It's very, very good on how to build things. It's also right here. This is the reed valves. This is all my reed valve videos are based on this, and it works. Okay, so this is the best one I have. The second best one is this one by A. Graham Bell, and this one years ago cost me about $50. I don't know what it costs today. Along with that, if you have these 2 books, this one and this one, you can understand so much about the two-strokes that you won't even need to watch my videos. Well, wait, you'll still need to watch my videos because I make it entertaining. Thank you.